The Last Stand of Concordia. The galaxy had been at peace for over a century under the Alliance of Species. The Concordia Accord, signed by over 30 intelligent civilizations, ensured cooperation, trade, and mutual defense across the stars. It was humanity's entry into the Alliance that sparked a new golden age, bringing with it innovation, resourcefulness, and ambition. But not everyone agreed with the Alliance's terms. On the colony world of Eryos Prime, discontent had been brewing. A faction of humans, calling themselves the Sovereigns, believed humanity should dominate the galaxy, not share power with alien races they deemed inferior. They had long chafed under the Alliance's laws, which limited humanity's military expansion and imposed regulations on resource harvesting. To them, the Accord was a leash, and they intended to break free. The attack began without warning. Alliance stations orbiting Eryos Prime were the first to fall. Coordinated strikes from cloaked human ships overwhelmed the orbital defenses in minutes. Explosions lit the skies as massive cruisers rained plasma fire down on the surface. The Sovereigns deployed ground forces, a blend of augmented soldiers and experimental war machines. Cities that had stood as symbols of unity for decades were reduced to rubble. Commander Lyra Vanek of the Alliance Defense Fleet was aboard the Aegis Horizon when the distress signal came through. The hologram of a panicked Alliance ambassador flickered before her. "They've destroyed half the colony. Civilians are being slaughtered. You must act now." Lyra's heart sank. Eryos Prime was supposed to be a stronghold of peace, not a battlefield. But as reports poured in, it became clear this was no skirmish, it was a declaration of war. The Aegis Horizon jumped to Eryos Prime's orbit, along with a small fleet of Alliance ships. What they found was chaos. Human ships, painted with the Sovereign insignia, a black sun encircled by broken chains, engaged in brutal dogfights with Alliance vessels. On the planet's surface, Sovereign forces were pushing toward the Alliance headquarters. Lyra's voice was calm but resolute as she issued orders. "Target the lead Sovereign ships. Disrupt their formation. We need to buy time for ground reinforcements." The Alliance fleet was diverse. Sleek Illyrian cruisers equipped with energy shields, swift Gyron fighters with unparalleled agility, and massive Korg dreadnoughts bristling with weaponry. Together, they moved as a coordinated unit, something the Sovereigns hadn't anticipated. On the ground, the Alliance defenders, a mix of humans and aliens, were holding the line at the headquarters. Captain Tyrone Kryes, a grizzled veteran, commanded the defense. Beside him stood Jorik, a towering reptilian warrior from the Korg species, and Drisa, an Illyrian telepath who provided critical intelligence on enemy movements.